Grand Valley, and welcome to another edition of GV Today on GVTV. I'm Molly Smith. The first accumulating snowfall is lurking around the corner, but even with the cold on its way, we've still got a short newscast for you, so let's get started. Susan Ford Bales will explain what education was like for her parents, President Gerald R. Ford and Betty Ford, as part of the College of Education's 50th Anniversary Golden Lecture Series. The education of Gerald R. Ford will take place November 18th at 6:30 p.m. in the DeVos Center, Lewsmore Auditorium. An open reception will begin at 5:30 p.m. The lecture will include discussions on President Ford's signing of the Education for All Handicapped Children Act in 1975, which provided equal access to education for children with physical and mental disabilities. The 50th Anniversary Golden Lecture Series celebrates 50 years of quality teacher preparation programs in the College of Education. All events in the series will focus on the theme Reflections and Predictions, which will explore the past and look toward the future of education. The next event, the State of Education in Michigan, will be held on February 10th and features State Superintendent Mike P. Flanagan and a panel of West Michigan administrators. A new feature film involving cast and crew members with Grand Valley State University ties is set to premiere November 12th in Grand Rapids. Pilot Error, inspired by the true story of a French jetliner missing in the Atlantic Ocean for nearly 2 years, stars Kate Thompson, adjunct professor of theater at Grand Valley. Thompson plays Nicola Wilson, a woman determined to find out how and why a jet en route from South America to Paris disappeared in the Atlantic, taking her close friend and more than 200 other passengers with it. As Nicola drives into the mystery, she puts her job, friends, and livelihood at risk. The film is set to premiere on Wednesday, November 12th at 6:45 p.m. at Celebration Cinemas North in Grand Rapids and at Cinema Carousel in Muskegon at 8 p.m. Grand Valley Chapter of Public Relations Students Society of America will help students prepare online portfolios by arranging for professional headshots. Prep Your Profile will be held November 13th and November 20th from 5 to 7:30 p.m. at the DeVos Center near Starbucks. PRSSA will provide blazers for students to wear for the photos. Cost is $5 for 2 raw images or $10 for 2 retouched images. Participants can pay with either cash or credit card. Grand Valley State University has been named a Best for Vets college by the national news outlet Military Times. Grand Valley joins 140 colleges and universities throughout the country that are included on the 2015 list. The ranking is based on an evaluation of the many factors that make an organization a good fit for service members, veterans, and their families. It is also based on an assessment of the success rates of veterans and military students. The ranking was compiled from a survey submitted by each institution of services, resources, and financial incentives offered to military members and students, veterans, and information from the U.S. Department of Education, including academic success measures. That's all I have for today, Grand Valley. I'm Molly Smith. Stay warm, Grand Valley.